Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject English.
Good morning student, welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see topic Astronomy Day. Astronomy Day, okay. First listen. One day late in the autumn, my master had a long journey to go on business. And the dog, cat and John went with his master, okay. Master, I always like to go on the a two-wheel carriage with the two seats and back to back, okay, back to back. Then the high wheels ran along the pleasantly a great deal of the rain, and now the winds was very high, dry leaves across the road in the shore, okay. Then uh, then a gate or and the the wooden bridge, the river banks with the rather high, and the bridge instead of the rising in the middle. Then the river was full the water would work at planks, but as though we are good, they are good of good quality and condition, okay. Condition the rails on the each side, the people did not mind it, okay. Okay, next, the man at the gate said the river was racing fast and by night. Then one, the flat area of land of covered with the grass and grass were under the water, and in one low road the water was halfway up to the make knees, the bottom was good, okay. Then and master drove gently got to the down. Of course I had a piece of food and the attractions, and but as the master the business a long time start for home still rather than late in the afternoon. Wind was then much higher. Master said the John that he had never been out in the such as a storm, okay. As we went along the outer the boundary of good boundary of your wood, great branches, the great branches we are showing about like twigs rushing the zone was double, okay. Then typically when these branches came down upon us, his mouth, okay. His mouth when there was a groan and crack and splitting sound and hearing crashing down among the trees, okay. Trees gam and oak drawn up by the roots feel right across the stalk still, and I believe I trembled, okay. Then one, there will be nothing for it but to go back to the four crossways, okay. Four crossways, and it will be a good 6 miles before a round and wooden the bridge, okay. Wooden the bridge again, but this was fresh. So back we went and round by the grass road, but by the time, okay, but by the time and bridge was nearly then, that the water was over the middle of it, but as the happened sometime the floods were out most stuff, okay. We are going to long at the good pace and touched the first part of the bridge. Grand beauty, beauty, said my master, and have me touch with your whip, okay. Then thank God, said my master, you beauty. John was took the John was took the device the fitter on the horse, okay. And general turned me round the right hand road by the right in the river side. The sun had set sometime. Wind seemed have sleep or rest of after the furious flash which the tour of the tree, okay. Then the darker and darker, stiller and stiller. Then one making a sound on the soft road there light horse and man have fallen river and the current following very strong. There was no high, no help at the hand. Okay, it was more than likely would all have been drowned, but he had given animal knowledge which is not depend on reason, and which was much more quick and perfect. Okay, quick and perfect. John had many stories to tell of dogs and horses, and the wonderful things they had met done. He thought the people did not value animals half enough. Then when the friends of the stay out, I am sure they make friends, and the ever man did. Okay, then the last at last we have the park gates and found the garden looking out of us, stress and had been tear dreadful fear. Okay, then one since the dark fearing the some accident. Okay, accident happened, and that he had the just James of justice, hearts with the short legs. Okay, we saw like the hall door and the upper windows and the cave. Okay, then the Black Beauty had the not been the wizard, we are would all have been carried down the river at the wooden bridge. I had the no more went into a house. Then John took me the stable the place where horses and the heaped. Okay, a good band was then only a good friend mouse of some cross beans with my oats and such a thick piece as straw, and I was glad of it, for I was tired. Okay, student, thank you.